YouTube, how we doing? Took a big loss today. A bigger loss than I would have liked. I actually messed up on the or the uh, the unit sizing, the contract sizing. I think it was four contracts when I was only supposed to put one or two. So I actually lost about 1,200 on my funded when the max loss should be around 500. It was a good trade setup, a setup that I would have taken again, that I will be taking again if the same things apply. And uh, but yeah, tough loss. Definitely messed up on the sizing. But let me show you guys the setup and exactly what happened. And I can't really, like, some setups just don't work, and that's kind of part of it. It's kind of part of the game. So I would have taken this setup again. Uh, I had the confirmations that I needed. So let me explain the setup that I had for the day. It was on the Nasdaq. I'm on the 5 minute. Clearly, we're bearish coming into the day. I mean, we're making our lower lows, lower highs. Um, we just took out this lower low right here. So I'm looking for sales today. That was kind of my mindset going in. And we had this zone, this gray box right here. And as you can see, we have liquidity marked out. And this is one of the confirmations that I use for this strategy. Um, so we had that. We had the breaker structure, which was down here. It's kind of tough to see because it's such a small candle. But if you see this white line right here, that is the low that needed to be taken out, and it was. So that was just like another confirmation. And you see how price came down below the zone and then kind of shot up back into the zone, into our supply zone. That's what you're looking for with this strategy. So again, everything was kind of set up right. I was patient, and it just didn't work out. It was close though, as you can see. A 1-on-1. Would a 1-on-1 have hit? Let me check. Because I was going for a 2-to-1. 1-on-1 would have hit. This would have been a 1-on-1 right here, but I aim for 2-to-1 for most of my trades. So this is what I had planned out. And yeah, I mean, price touched the zone, rejected it, and I got in on the next bearish candle, and it just didn't work out. As you can see, it took my stop loss out, and of course, right after taking the stop loss out, it shot down and would have been 6-to-1 if I didn't get stopped out. So again, not a bad trade. I will be taking it again if the same setup um, appears. But I did mess up on the unit size. So let me show you guys that. So performance stats. So today was just a bad day. As you can see, I lost 1,200 on the funded. Um, when you're trading this strategy, at least you're supposed to win more than you lose in terms of how much. So when I win, it's supposed to be 1,000, 1,200, and when I lose, so it's only supposed to be 500 at maximum. So I messed that up today. I messed up the sizing. I was not paying attention. Like I wasn't fully locked, and I bought, I think, 5 contracts. And I was only supposed to buy uh, one or two. So that happened, but I want to just be as transparent as possible with this channel and show you guys the wins and the losses. So this was the setup. I actually have another setup brewing that I want to make another video about. That's on gold, but yeah, this was a tough loss. It only should have been a $500 loss at most. Um, but yeah, sometimes you as a younger trader, I'm still making these mistakes and I'm still trying to learn from them. And so this is definitely like a learning moment for me, and something that I won't let happen again in terms of sizing. Um, this is the first time I've did this done this. Last time I will be doing this. So this was the trade setup. Lost 1,200 on the account. So tough. We're back. We're back to 50,000, pretty much even. So yeah, but I have a gold setup, and I still have to upload the strategy in full depth tutorial for you guys. So just wanted to put this trade out there. I'm going to document most of my trades and, kind of just show you guys the journey. So thanks for tuning in again. Any comments, questions, leave them down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. And I'll be back next video with either the strategy that I use or the gold setup that I was talking about. Thanks again.